Hi friends, welcome to my channel Replays. Today we are going to see about an RP, that is a ruling planet. A ruling planet is nothing but when a person asks a question at a particular time, at a particular place, the receiver who receives the question is the place where the latitude and longitude will be noted. And the third one is whether if he gives a Horary number or just the time. Okay, so uh, the question rise like this: how is my production metal industry work or job? Okay, so he is running an own industry for production, metal production. So he gave a number. Okay, he gave a number. The number is 45. The particular person gave a number 45. The 45 from the planet, from the planetary position. Okay, if a person raise a question, that time, the particular time, his mind will be controlled by moon. For the whole 700 crore population in the whole world, our mind is controlled by moon. So he gave a number 45 at 5:30 a.m. 1st of February 2021. The receiver is from Pondicherry. So the question is, how is my production metal industry work will go? That is the question he asked. Okay, so please note this timing and Horary number and date and time. Now, after raising the question, a particular lagna, that is ascendant, will fall upon in one of the 12 signs. Okay, starting from his Aries. Okay, here the lagna comes. Okay, it's also called as ascendant, ASC. The ascendant point gives a sublord called sun. Okay, so ascendant is 4 degree 53 minutes in Gemini. And the star lord is Mars, and the sublord of this star lord is Sun. So in the same way, every sign, okay, every sign will have a lagna point. Okay, so in this sublord Sun has also come in 10th cuspal. Okay, so here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the last cuspal. Okay, so here we have Sun, and here we have Sun as a sublord, and Moon stands in 4th position. Okay, and the Mercury in 9th position. So in total, his mind gives an answer 110. That is, one is the person who asked the question, 10 is nothing but business or 4 is called production, business, production, whatever is produced is 4, okay, and 9 is a 12th house of 9, 9 is 12th house of 10. So the business is little weak, okay. So the business is weak, that is why he raised a question whether my production company will flourish or how is the status. That is the question he asked. So this is the basic what he asked. So this moon, right, in the 4th house. Fourth house is moon, where it stands, okay. It doesn't come as a sublord. And 9th house is Mercury. Ninth house is Mercury. So 1, 4 and 10. 10 is business. Okay. So 1, 4, 9 and 10 is the business. And for 4, how the 4 is, whether the 4 is strong or weak, we have to check. So come here. 4th is the moon. Okay. So the moon planet stands in sun star. So this is star, this is sublord. So moon planet stands in 1 and 10 star lord, and Mars is 2, 4, 7. So let me write in the different color so you will understand better. So 2, 4, 7 is nothing but the decider. 2, 4, 7. So for production work, strongly shows 1, 10 and 2, 4 is the even number. So 1, 4 and 10 even number is coming, and for 4 again 4 is coming. From 4 if you count 1, 2, 3 and 4, it's coming as 7. Okay, this 7 comes as a 4. So whenever an even number gives an even number count, that is a strong sign of. This is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 7 is nothing but connection with public peoples. Okay, 7 is other person. So this moon is very good in position. Okay, so